Clark, Director of Autonomous Driving and Safety Technology. I work in a strategic initiative called ESI Automotive, which focuses solely on the automotive industry. In collaboration with my colleagues at McDermott Alpha Electronic Solutions and McDermott Enthone Industrial Solutions, we look at material sets that will enhance designs from a perspective of form factor, performance, and reliability. My responsibility is to understand the electronic hardware connected to advanced safety systems on the path to full autonomy. We know that the automotive industry is going through significant innovation, and that designs are requiring materials and components from other market segments. We also understand that the harsh environments and the expectations of automotive make it necessary to have more advanced materials. So, in collaboration with different business units, including printed circuit board manufacturer, the joining materials of assembly, and the materials associated to semiconductor solutions, I look at the whole build. I look at the system and how these materials influence each other, work in synergy to deliver more advanced sets. Previously, my team put together a series of mini webinars focusing on the 77 gigahertz radar design. I want to thank you so much for the positive feedback. If you haven't had the opportunity, these can still be viewed on our website, esiauto.com. But as a result of the positive information and all of your great feedback, we've decided to do a new series of web tutorials, this time focusing more on robustness. We understand there is extreme mechanical and thermal pressure put on the electronic systems. We will look specifically at enhanced materials that offer more thermal dissipation and greater resistance against heat and mechanical stress. I look forward to continuing this discussion with you. I thank you so much for spending time with me, and through understanding your challenges and learning more about our materials, I believe that we are a perfect partner for you in this journey.